Learn Punjabi, have.
Kol Hoṇā.
Made easy. Welcome to SynapseLingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by SynapseLingo. Grab more free goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master the Punjabi way to say, have, using
Kol Hoṇā.
And yes, we'll make it easy and a little silly so it sticks. Your goal today. By the end, you'll confidently say every form of have. Quick secret. Punjabi shows possession with near, with that's.
Kol.
So, I have, is literally, near me, it is.
Mere kol hai.
Forms in a flash. Repeat after me and feel the rhythm. Have.
Kol Hoṇā.
I have.
Mere kol hai.
You have, do.
Tere kol hai.
He has.
Us kol hai.
She has.
Us kol hai.
It has.
Is kol hai.
We have.
Saade kol hai.
You have, plural, polite.
Tuhade kol hai.
They have.
uhnān.
Mini scenes. Laugh and learn. Let's act it out. Tiny scenes, big memory. You've got this. I have a book.
Mere kol kitab hai.
Do you have a pen?
Ki tere kol kalam hai.
He has the keys.
Us kol chabiyan han.
She has a good idea.
Us kol changa vichar hai.
It has a new update.
Is kol nawa update hai.
We have time.
Saade kol sama hai.
You have tickets. Plural, you.
Tuhade kol tikat han.
They have snacks.
Uhnā kol naashte han.
Pro tip, do. If it's many things or people, you'll often hear
Han.
instead of
Hai.
pocket that. Pronunciation beat. Clap it in, your mouth loves rhythm. Clap, clap, say, I have.
Mere kol hai.
Clap, clap, say, you have.
Tere kol hai.
Snap, snap, say, we have.
Saade kol hai.
Big group voice, say, they have.
Uhnā kol han.
One more for the bass, have.
Kol Hoṇā.
Culture tip. Langar logic. Language loves culture, so here's a tasty memory hook. At Langar, everyone is fed, everyone has food.
Sab de kol khana hunda hai.
Remember, near, with.
Kol.
Is how Punjabi shows you've got it. Quick quiz. Fast questions, fast wins. Say answers out loud. Q1, what's the Punjabi base verb for have? Answer.
Kol Hoṇā.
Q2, say, you have, plural, polite. Answer.
Tuhade kol hai.
Q3, translate, they have umbrellas. Answer.
Uhnā kol chhatriyan han.
Q4, fix the idea, not I am a pen, but I have a pen. In Punjabi.
Mere kol kalam hai.
Your challenge. Ready to flex? You'll use every form now. Say each. Have, I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you have, plural, they have. Then add any noun you like after each Punjabi line. Examples to model. I have.
Mere kol hai.
A book. You have, do.
Tere kol hai.
A pen. He has.
Us kol hai.
A ticket. She has.
Us kol hai.
Time. It has.
Is kol hai.
A new feature. We have.
Saade kol hai.
Coffee. You have, plural.
Tuhade kol hai.
The map. They have.
Uhnā kol han.
Tickets. Bonus humor hook. If a minor says he always has.
Kol.
That's Kol. In Punjabi.
Kol.
Means near, with. Wrap up. Nice work, your Punjabi possession power just leveled up. You practiced have, I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you have, plural, and they have with the Punjabi pattern.
Kol Hoṇā.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, smile while you speak, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more fun lessons from SynapseLingo.